It's day 7 since we started our fast.
Mm-hmm.
And we're both in bad moods.
It's true.
This is my 1500 salad.
And all I drink is water.
That's not true. You discovered mineral water.
It's water.
It's flavored. So,
Still water.
No, it's hard. I mean, you're feeling better.
I feel amazing. Most times I have energy through the roof, but I'm bored of the food, and I'm pretty creative with food. So it's a challenge.
My sleep is really good. When I wake up, I have a lot of energy. I am hitting a wall around 2:33.
Everything else was fun, but you snacked, so you had 2 meals and a snack.
Yeah, which is against
Busted.
Kevin's advice.
It could be easier, but then again, we eat whatever we want whenever we want. So a little discipline is probably a good thing for us.
But this is part of the gig, so we're just being honest.
And I don't know what's going on with my weight. I went way down. Now I'm slowly climbing back up, and all I'm having is salads.
I don't know. I'm
understand. Confused. I don't get it. Update Sunday.
Update Sunday. Feel pretty good.
I feel amazing.
Yeah. It has not been easy though. This is a victory because the valleys have been so low. But I'm very proud that we've not caved. And I guess I should say I did cheat today. I had 8 cherry tomatoes and then 2 slices of turkey, and I put mayonnaise on it and onions. I've come close to caving on wine. Friday night, I had such a good week. Well, I mean, it's all relative, right? But good week, felt really good. Pants are fitting, clothes are fitting differently, just even in a week. And while we're cooking dinner, I would like to have a glass of wine, but I didn't. And I woke up Saturday morning just really proud that I hadn't, or that I didn't. And I don't know if we've said this before, but we own a bed and breakfast. So we're surrounded almost daily by blueberry pancakes and biscuits and gravy
Bacon.
and bacon
And bacon.
and biscuits.
And bacon.
So
we've kind of branched out a little bit with food, and that's made things a little bit easier. We just had to be intentional and plan a little bit. So it just required a little bit more energy and a little bit more time to figure out exactly how we were gonna go out of our norms, because the regular menu that we have during the week was burgers and whatever else didn't work with this diet. So yeah, we figured some stuff out. We've written some menu items, and we're working through some of that. Yesterday, I was aggravated all day long.
Yeah, I was aggravated too. This is not easy. This is a mental game. This is not.
Sure.
This is not. There are moments daily that are a struggle of just wanting to cave.
But then there are also peaks too, it's peaks and valleys.
Mm-hmm.
At one moment you feel great. You're like, wow, look how my shirt's fitting today. And it's a weird thing to say, but look how my shirt's fitting today. And then you're like, okay, great, babe, how are your pants fitting? Oh, my pants fit great. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're doing good.
Happy Sunday. There's our update.
There you go.
What's up? See this? That's where we're at. This is where we're at. We just finished a 7-mile walk outside. -2.
5 miles.
But this is keeping the sweet tooth off.
I'm down 5 pounds, and I'm starting to see more muscle come through. I am hungrier probably than just 2 meals a day. So I've been snacking on cashews. And then also to curb late night cravings, I think I'm going to go back to, if I need it, a shake. I think that is helpful. But I'm a big fan of, chicken and vegetables anyway. So that really hasn't, I guess, been a problem so far. I know we're only 1 week into this thing, so who knows what's to come. But so far, so good. I like the way I feel. I am hitting a wall maybe around 2:30, and so that's when I kind of have a snack. But other than that, my energy level's been great. Sleep has been great.
This is day 9 for us. Day 9 or day 10? We're a day ahead of the other clowns, but
Groundhog Day.
not sticking to 2 or 3 meals a day. I've been working out aggressively. Today was the easiest workout, a walk.
Yeah.
So we'll see if I can do 3, but I've been adding a half a shake at 8:30. Haven't been able to do 8 hours of eating. I'm more like 9.5, 10. So we'll see how that goes, but energy's great, down a belt loop. I'm only weighing myself once a week because I'm not gonna let the scale dictate.
His face is like super thinned out.
Super thinned out is strong. Maybe chin 3, 8 chin 2. But super thinned out is a ways away. Anyway, that's how we feel.
Anyway.
All right, here's a day 12 update. Looks like I've dropped 15 of the COVID-19 I put on. I don't think I told anybody this yet, but I own a business. I'm a partner. I have 3 business partners. We started a company almost 16 years ago. We got 6 offices throughout the country, 450 employees. And when COVID hit, it threatened all of that hard work. So, I probably turned to food and alcohol more than I normally would as a mechanism to help me get through it all. So
I've been asked to record a video about stress. I'm a bathrobe person now. I don't feel any stress.
anyway, just thought I'd give you an update there. Have a wonderful whatever the hell it is you're doing.